Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you one of the projects that we will be teaching at the Fort Worth Made It Con convention on March 15th, 16th, and 17th. We'll be teaching all three of those days. This one I think is on, I can't remember, I think this was on Friday. We will leave the schedule to the classes below and you can go over and take a look. But this is a little mini folio, and it is closed by this heart right here. So when you open it up, the heart slides through that little slit there, and then it opens this way so you can put photos here, and then it kind of folds out to make a mini, try to get it all in frame, to make a mini folio. I think it is adorable. It's very, very unique, and you, like I said, you can put photos in here. You can give it as a gift and put some gift cards in there, just whatever you want. We will be showing you how to make this complete project. We will also have a little surprise in this class as well. We're trying to do a little bit of surprise in each one of our classes, but this class will have a little surprise in it for you. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to take the class to find out. But we will also have giveaways and door prizes for this class as well. I will leave the direct link to this class below. We look forward to seeing you in Fort Worth in March. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.